Thank you, Madam Speaker, and I also thank the Honourable Member for her question. Madam Speaker, with your permission, I would like to seek clarification from the Honourable Member on whether she is saying that the damage caused by Winston, that repair works has not been carried out. Is she saying that? Then I will respond, because there is a reason for it. Thank you.
Honourable, would you clarify?
Madam Speaker, I believe the question is very clear. For the Honourable Minister to tell this House when will the repair works to those jetties be done? Because I have visited those areas and the vehicles cannot go into the boat as we used to do before. And now we're talking about rehabilitation works and how these heavy materials, all these housing materials will be taken particularly to the maritime areas, because I have seen the men handling those big cargoes. And that's why this issue has been raised today, this question, that there must be immediate attention given to the repair works and to look at long-term repairs, not temporary repairs. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Honourable Minister.
Thank you, it's clear now. Madam Speaker, all these jetties that has been mentioned by the Honourable Member, it's up and running. I don't know when she went. It's up and running. And for the benefit of the Honourable Members, may I state that 10 FRA jetties were damaged by TC Winston. 9 of these jetties are currently open for use after temporary repairs. One of these jetties was totally destroyed. Mokangai jetty. That's Mokangai.
Honourable Minister, please continue. Do not respond to interjections.
Madam Speaker, when I said that 9 out of 10 jetty has been repaired, she's asking which one was not repaired or totally destroyed. So I've responded and she's asking, I'm not asking that. Madam Speaker, the temporary repairs to date have cost $700,000 and this figure will increase as claims from the FRA contractors come in. Thank you.
Supplementary question, Honourable Nabouwalu.
Still on the repairs of jetty, I was in Nabouwalu 2 weeks back. And we thank the Minister that the jetty is back in operation. I think just last week, it was in the media that the jetty will be closed down for repairs for about 6 weeks. All I want to ask the Honourable Minister, if he could advise his House, if there's an alternative arrangement that the government has put in place to ensure that the connectivity to the north is not compromised, as this will affect the Lomaloma economy in general.
Thank you,
Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Honourable Member has picked out that from the media, but I will inform the House on the Nabouwalu jetty. This jetty was temporarily repaired and was open for restricted use within 3 days after TC Winston. The roll-on roll-off ramp is currently having pre-planned maintenance repairs. There is a pre-planned upgrading of jetty and causeway in the 2017 and 2018 budget. Thank you.
Thank you, Honourable Nabouwalu.
Well, Minister has said that these are only temporary. The problem with temporary is that they don't last. They invite accidents. So when will you do the permanent?
Thank you, Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. As I've said, that these are temporary repairs, and we have submitted our projects as per under FRA's program for all these jetties to be repaired permanently. Thank you.
Thank you.